now. Okay, let's quickly analyze that issue you have. I think you didn't mention the whole error message on GitHub. So usually, if you have the issue, you can share the whole error message. Like this one is a bit small. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, the problem which he had is that the GeoJSON data was not recognized, and something with offshore stuff didn't work then, right? So you were trying to fix that, but the same error is still there. And then we actually figured out that Bolivia is a landlocked country, and landlocked countries are an existing bug, an open bug in PyPSA-Europe, and that's where our code is based off. So we practically need to fix that. So we need to allow that script running for landlocked countries as well. Okay. So we downloaded the PyPSA-Africa script. Then we're now just copying the config. Like, what was the two-letter tag for Bolivia? BO, like this. Okay. Yeah. And we cloned that repository from my fork. And when we have a fork, we usually not working on the main repository, on the main branch, but on the on another branch, which is here. So this checkout stuff, that's how we switch the branch, and we're switching now to the branch landlocked countries, or landlocked country. Let's call it like that. So now we're in a new branch. Okay, so that's where we can work now. Just activating PyPSA-Africa so that everything works. And so the issue, so like I'm checking basically in the snake file where all the rules are executed, where are these offshore files, okay? Oops. Offshore. So the offshore shapes are an input in clean OSM, but we actually want to see where is it the output. Okay. So there are actually two ways how to deal with it. Either we say in all the scripts where there's an input, that like there must be a rule distinction, right? Like if it wants somewhere the offshore file, but we don't have it, it's not working. So let's check in one of the scripts, for example. So clean OSM was not working. That's what you were saying, right? Okay. So what I'm doing now is I'm just running into the error quickly. Let's see if I'm doing everything right. Jesus. So my license is expired, unfortunately, for Gurobi, but we don't need a license for that. Okay. Retrieve data bundle, that will take a while, I guess. But yeah, let's already start running this thing. And then in the meantime, like I know this takes a bit of time. Okay, does it start? Yeah, so this one is starting. In the meantime, while this stuff is running, I'm just checking in this. I'm checking the script and find out what was the error. So clean was do you remember in which line this error happened? So is there a traceback? Yeah, here, traceback. That's it. That's what we need. So it's gpd read file snake make input offshore shapes, and then and then it goes deeper into the modules and says, okay, I can do anything with that. So basically, reading in file which, sorry. Yeah, you can stop sharing it. So I think, yeah, we just have it once here. So this is the error here. So the error will happen here, and I'm just trying to figure out, because it will use it, offshore shapes will be used later. Create excellent. Okay. So this thing, we don't need this because we just have an onshore shape. So basically, if we have no offshore shape, we can remove this part. Is there any other offshore stuff? I don't think so. So what we are now doing is we need to test if this is empty. So like basically I'm trying to find a check for empty files.